Hello, my name is Eloisa Starr and I'm a third year creative producing student. I chose to be on this course because it was the only course that gave you experience in both theatre and film behind the scenes.
So how we started about putting on a show for this module, it was actually by a lot of us asking the question, what if we put on a show? And actually I had the idea of let's change this what if into let's actually do this.
We've been able to create things like music videos, short films,
Mike. Oh my God. Oh my!
podcasts, live streams, the list goes on really. We are able to collaborate with all of the acting students here at East 15. It's been great to really build our network here, and this has given us opportunities to have casts for our short films and plays that we want to put on. You've got a lot of creative freedom because you're able to choose your own projects in a professional setting.
Another one for the history books.